Hey, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts. And if you're looking to make your laundry routine easier, faster, and a lot more energy efficient, then let me show you the Bosch Series 4 8kg heat pump tumble dryer. It's packed with smart features to give you the great results every time. First up, reliability. It comes with a 5-year warranty. That's 5 years of peace of mind knowing you're covered with a machine built to last. Now let's talk about efficiency. The Bosch tumble dryer uses advanced heat pump technology to achieve an impressive A++ energy rating. What does that mean for you? It means drying your clothes, saving up to 58% energy with this model compared to a non-heat pump dryer, saving you money on your energy bills. Do you worry about over drying or damaging your clothes? Bosch has you covered with auto dry sensors. These clever sensors constantly monitor the temperature and moisture levels inside the drum, adjusting the cycle to stop exactly when your clothes are perfectly dry. So no more guesswork and no more shrinkage, just perfectly dry clothes every time. And it's not just energy efficient, it's super quiet too. Thanks to Bosch's anti-vibration design, this dryer is incredibly stable and quiet, so you can go about your day, work, or relax without the noise getting in your way. If you've got somewhere to be, the Bosch Quick 40 cycle has you covered. In just 40 minutes, your clothes are dry and ready to wear. Perfect for those last-minute outfit emergencies. So whether you're after energy savings, smart drying technology, peace and quiet, or just a quick dry on the go, the Bosch Heat Pump Tumble Dryer has everything you need to make laundry day a breeze.